Wanna know how to see your edit history in Lovable AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Lovable AI application, and once you have done that, you can either hit towards its web browser and just simply type in lovable.dev as well. So once you have done that, make sure you are logged in. We have also created a video on how to log into Lovable AI, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you have done that, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. So you can just simply select it. And now once you've selected your profile, just simply hit towards settings right here. That should be right beside invite. So once you've selected settings, your settings should appear, and here you should be seeing workspace settings. Now on the right side, you should be seeing account, and right on the first tab, you should be seeing your account. Just simply select it. And once your account loads here, you should be seeing your edits. So for me, I have 0 edits because it's my latest account. So if you have done any edits, or if you have been working on it or are active, it should be showing these highlighted parts or highlighted squares right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you check edits in Lovable. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.